Ikaw ba ay Filipino na nanonood kung saan ka man ngayon na nag-craving ng Filipino food? Or ikaw ba ay paborito mo ang siomai? And this one, ipakita ko sa inyo yung simple tips na homemade siomai. Ayan. First, you must having a ground pork or ground beef. Depende sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. And onion, celery, and carrots. And of course, huwag mong kalimutan ang egg. Hey?
Garlic.
And also garlic, guys. My husband reminded me about garlic. Yeah, and of course, garlic. And huwag mong kalimutan din ang isang itlog. Depende yun kung gaano kadami. So, ayan. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta pa sa mall para bumili ng siomai. So, you can make it by yourself. You can make it your own at home. And it is very healthy, guys, because you don't have to fry it. Anyway, you can really fry it, but this one is really healthy because you just have to steam it. And my husband is also on it. He likes it. So, keep watching. First, bubuksan natin tong pork. Depende yan sa inyo kung anong gusto nyong gawing siomai, pork ba, or beef. For me, for this video, I prepared to make siomai pork. So, ayan, gagawin natin. Ilagay natin to dito para maging ready na bago natin lagyan ng mga ricado. Ayan. It's just, I think it's just 450 grams. Ayan. Make ready na. Babalatan muna natin to. And then, so, ayan guys, ready na ba kayo? Kasi ako, excited na akong mag-umpisa. Ayan, huwag kayong kukurap ha. Huwag kayong lilipat muna. Huwag nyo munang papatayin yan. Panoorin nyo muna ako. A homemade siomai. Balatan muna natin yung carrots. Itong gamitin natin para mas mabilis. Ayan. Paborito ko yan dyan eh. 55 4 pieces. Anyway, masarap naman sila. But, gagawa ako ng homemade. Masasarapan ko pa. At ikaw ba ay tamad mag-slice katulad ko? Well, may paraan tayo. Kuskusin na lang natin, guys. Mas mabilis pa. Hindi mo na kailangan slice na yan. Ito na lang gawin natin. Pare-pareho pa ang sizes. Mas mabilis, mas madali. Alam mo guys, ang magluluto ka ng siomai, healthy siya. Kasi steam mo lang siya. Para makatipid kayo, para sa pamilya, paggawa ka na lang sa bahay niyo. Tapos, guys, meron na tayong carrots. Of course, there's a ground meat nandito na. Meron na ng carrots. Lagyan natin ng celery para mas healthy. Ayan. It's all up to you guys kung lalagyan nyo ng celery, but I prepared to put it this one. I like this one because celery has so many benefits. Ayan. Para tamad talaga ako mag-slice guys, kaya ganituhin ko na lang rin. Mas mabilis pa ang gawa. If it's seasoning in it, you can't wait. And seasoning, magic sarap. Don't forget the pepper. And of course, onion guys. Kasi kahit anong kulay ng onion ang pwede nyong ilagay ha. Kasi anyway, ito talaga ginagamit namin dito. Ito, yellow onion. Ayan. Tama talaga yung sinasabi nila, no? Pag may gloves. Hirap gawin. Ayan. Nasa sa inyo talaga yan kung gaano kadami yung gusto nyong ilagay na. Ganituhin na lang rin natin guys para mas mabilis. Ayan. Mas mabilis talaga ang gawa. Believe me, it works. Ayan, di ba? Ang bilis. Kasi paliliitin mo lang rin naman. It really works. Yeah. But it makes me cry. See? Charan! So, meron na tayong first, you have to prepare the meat, the ground meat, and then the carrots, the onions, and seasoning. And then you have to put a garlic, of course. Kahit ganito lang kadaming onion, at least meron kasi pampabango yan. And then, ako kasi binubugbog ko muna bago siya balatan kasi bubugbugin ko talaga muna siya. Mas mabilis kasi siyang mabalatan pag binubugbog mo ng ganyan. Ayan. Ang bilis siyang balatan. So, hiwain muna natin siya ng maliliit. Kasi hindi naman siya kakayanin ng ganito. Kaya, hiwain muna natin siya. Anyway, madali lang naman kasi kaunti lang naman yung garlic. Ayan. Masarap talaga maggagawa nito guys. Alam mo, bukod sa nakakamura ka na, nakukontrol mo pa yung lasa. Nakukuha mo pa yung lasa na gusto mo. Kasi minsan sa mall, hindi ka masatisfied sa mall yung taste nila. Alam mo yun? So, gagawa ka lang din ng sausawan mo. Ayan. So, dahil na, ito na nga, charan, na-slice na nga natin ng maliliit. So, onion, salt, pepper, uling-uling, pepper, and of course, yung spring onions, yung green. So, ito na siya, spring onion. Ayan. Ready na ang ating spring onion. And 2 eggs. 2 eggs. And then, one more salt. Kasi parang hindi ako sure doon sa salt na nilagay ko kanina. Parang kulang. We have to make sure na malasa. Huwag na sobrahan kasi seasoning, alam nyo guys, kahit anong seasoning ang gusto niyo, it's all up to you guys. Kung anong lasa ang gusto niyo. Basta, ang importante, meron kang pepper, salt. Wag lang ka, don't ever use Ajinomoto. Like, that is not healthy for you guys. Like, bitchin. I never use bitchin. So, we have to mix it like this. Mas maigi kasi pag kamay ang gagamitin mo kasi mahahalo mo siya ng maigi. Ayan, kita mo yung texture niya. Yung veg. Yung bango. Smells so good. Alam mo, ang nagpapabango nito yung onion and garlic and pepper and spring onion. Ang ganda tingnan guys, tingnan mo. It's really healthy kasi kita mo, ikaw mismo ang gumawa. Kita mo kung ano, kung yung mercado, sigurado ka. And then, healthy din siya. It's really healthy because you don't have to cook it with the oil, too much oil. But somewhere in Chowking, you can order also there shumai. Meron din sila fried or steam. But I prepare steam kay healthy talagang steam. Hindi siya idadaan sa mantika. Yan. So, I have to do like this. Ayan. See? Charan! It smells good. Smells good. One more. This one. Seasoning. Okay? And now, dahil na-prepare na nga natin yung ground meat with veg, tandaan nyo, yung kahit anong klaseng karne, pwedeng manok, pwedeng baboy, pwedeng beef. So, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin, lagyan ninyo ng ricado, which is onion, garlic, carrots, celery, or whatever. Kung nasa sa inyo na yun, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng celery, 2 eggs, and pepper, salt, and seasoning. And also a spring onions, like that. And it really smell good. And of course, huwag kalimutan yung lumpia wrapper. Nabibili yan sa mall. Meron yung ano may square lang siya na ganyan kalaki. Ayan, nabibili nyo siya sa mall. And ganyan guys. Ngayon, ito na yung I can't wait to show you this way. Ang gagawin nyo is ganyan. Magkakawa lang kayo ng butas sa loob. Ganyan. And then, lalagay ka na ng meat. Like this. So, then, just to do like this, and like this. Then, you can cut it off.
No, don't cut it off.
But for me, it's also good if you don't cut it. See, you have already a siomai.
Hey, do another one.
And then, where was it? Ganyanin mo lang, tutupiin mo lang siya.
What that pastry?
Ganyan. Magagawa ka lang ng butas dito. Magaganyan ka.
It's too dry.
Become dry because it get dry and
Yeah.
what is that? So
Oh, it's
here,
just on the burner.
ayan. Diba napakasimple lang? Hindi mo na kailangan you don't have to go to the mall just to have a siomai, and it's really expensive. 4 pieces only for 55 peso. See? It's really good. And I have form ka ng butas dito, ilagay mo tong lumpia wrapper dito, maganyan ka, ganyan, and then you have a hole. Ayan. And then, takes a little bit, put it in here. Ayan. I think they call it dumpling.
Yep. Sure.
Yeah, here. And you can cut it off. There you go.
Here, I'll finish it. They're too dry, baby. I get that.
Wala dyan sa mga OFW, no? Na namimiss nyo na yung Filipino food. Ayan, pwede kayo talagang gumawa ng ganito. Kahit nasaan man kayo, saan bansa man kayo naroon.
Is that meat supposed to stick out the top?
Mm-hmm. Ayan guys, he is also making it. Ayan. Diba, ang bilis. It's your siomai. It is healthy guys because there's a beige. See? Oh, siomai.
I'm going to cut off, baby. That's what I do. Just hold on a second.
Oh, yeah. Tayo ko lang siya ng kaunti para maging ano siya. You can also keep some in the freezer, honey.
Oh, survive in the freezer, baby.
Yes.
We'll eat first.
Alam mo ba guys, pwede tayong gumawa. And there you go. The siomai. And put some in his plates.
It's the improvised steamer.
Yeah. So, this is it guys. Charan! Ayan. Nabawasan na, nakakain na kami. Ayan. Ang sarap niyan. Ayan. May siomai na kami. Homemade siomai. So, this is it. Charan! Siomai. And, yeah. Kain na tayo.
Do you have the keys to the car? Oh, you got them already? Okay. You want me to get for the car? You want me to release the car to her? Okay.
How's it good?
Oh, dolphins and ice in there is on my driveway in my car.
Homemade siomai.
I knew last
Thank you for watching.